feeling the elements. Freaking rainy freaking day. I have a feeling he's gonna want to just sort of like hang out in the rest stop and have a drink and I don't know, maybe a gin and vodka. Yeah, he just came up a pretty grueling hill. Yep, he's unlocking his shoes. That's the sign. It's raining again.
Got a flat.
Okay.
Got a flat.
You got a flat?
Yeah.
And you changed it and everything?
No, that's what I've been doing.
Okay.
It's like 2 miles from here.
Oh, you pumped it
Over
again.
there. I've been pumping.
Yikes.
Figured we eat lunch.
Eat lunch, change your flat, and it's raining anyway, so.
We'll go again.
What'd you say?
Remove the F word. The hell with it.
The heck with it.
There are no choices in life.
Okay.
There are no choices. There's no I do or don't do. There really isn't. When you really think about it, these are your choices. You either live or you don't live. You either do or don't do. You either whine, okay, or continue. You either decide that you want to struggle or not struggle. It's very simple. You either decide to appreciate the rain or complain about the rain.
How about lunch?
Lunch.